Hi Pisces, this is your monthly reading for the month of August. I'm going to look at the energies for you in this time period. This is strictly for the sun sign of Pisces, maybe the ascendant. People having ascendant of Pisces can also watch this, but this is for the sun sign, and the monthly readings are for the sun sign whenever I am doing a monthly reading. So usually I do monthly reading in the beginning of the month. So beginning of August is just approaching. So what's coming to you in this time period, what will be coming to you in the next 30 days, I'm going to tell you. So important energies will be discussed, not all and everything, because I do weekly readings as well for the collective of Pisces. So environmental position. So environment is usually our seventh house. Seventh house is of relationships. So what is happening in our environmental situation? Environmental situation is showing the world card and the king of wands card. So world card and the king of wands card can mean a lover is in a distance, or you are traveling. You could be exhausted with travels, or you could be making some accomplishments in this time period, fulfilling some goals which are getting fulfilled actually in the month of August. This is connected to travel, this is connected to independence, this is connected to entrepreneurial energy, this is connected to your own talents and honing up of your talents and accomplishment in the near future. So the environment is telling me people could be supportive, however you do not need their help, and you could be needing help of important people. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy or an Aquarius energy could be around you. Some of you have it in your charts, and you are accomplishing major goals or fixing major goals and moving towards that, and feeling of this month with everyone will be fulfillment. So with the judgment and the wheel of fortune, things are opportune, things are auspicious in this time period. Favorable decision, judgments will be made regarding people. So if you are in a love situation, you could be in a love situation with another Cancer or a Pisces. You could be loving an Aries, you could be loving a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So in this time period, you are in this judgment situation of someone, maybe someone you have met for not always for romantic, but for other partnerships. Someone is collaborating with you. Do not judge the person very fast. You have to realistically appraise the situation, and then you have to move forward. There is a destined change in your life which will take you towards realistic judgments about your own life and own lifestyle or your own profession. So you were dealing with someone with whom you have sadness with the Five of Cups and the Five of Wands. It could be a job where there is a very mean or a restrictive boss. A Queen of Swords energy is visible here. So a Queen of Swords energy could be a mean person or someone who has a reason for doing something which is not favorable for you. So you could be dealing with such a person. You could be dealing with a widowed person or a widower. So you have this sadness or a problem with this person. There is a heartbreak which has already happened. You might not be able to make decisions regarding this person. There is some kind of stalemate with this person, and it is causing you sadness. You could be in a sad situation with a close relative or a person who is new in your life. It could be anyone close to you. But things are changing in the month of August. The moon situation, the darkness that is around you, will also give you time for reflection, and moon is clarified by the moon. So there is a dark situation, there is a situation where intuitive energies are working, nocturnal energies are working for you. And Pisces, with you the moon is very very close. You have this premonition, you have this download, you have this artistry and intuitive energies which come from within. This is also connected with the high priestess energy. So there is a slow movement, slow growth, but there is a definite creative energy around you, and that is giving you some download regarding your love, regarding your profession. You are going through pain, sadness and difficult energies. Some of you have hidden situations around you. You have to work in this darkness, make your way through that, and that is causing some kind of anxiety. It is causing you also some kind of limitation. But with the Six of Swords in the August month, you are going to move away from that. You are going to make a final departure towards a situation of peace, maybe a bit of clarity. With the Princess of Wands, Page of Wands energy, things are going to show some good results. There is a good news coming in, and you are going to make a move. Some of you are making a move after a stalemate. You are being transported to a safe zone. Someone around you could be stuck in some kind of situation, they are also moving on. And finally, in the later half of the month, the Knight of Cups, that is your energy, the Knight of Wands, that could be your energy as well. So there will be loving, purposeful, passionate movement towards whatever you are choosing. So whether it is your profession, whether it is your love life, whether it is your family situation, you are switching gears, and things are going to take a different turn. A Six of Wands is telling me that there will be a victory in a situation. You will have some attention, people will be giving you attention, success can be coming to you, there can be something, a movement or a journey will give you some attention of people. So when you see the Three of Pentacles as advantage in your monthly situation, this can mean that a new deal could be accomplished, new business could be launched, people are ready to support you and back you. Celebrities could be around you and they could be giving you a lot of attention in this time period. So you could be rubbing your shoulders with them, important people. So there is some kind of success. So in this period you are being asked by the angels to work for it, go towards it, learn new things, hone your talents. With the Eight of Pentacles, you could be learning new things, you could be enhancing the talents that you have, you could be doing some craft that you are doing in detail. Some of you are scribes, you write, some of you are authors, you write books, some of you do some work in the digital media, some of you are doing on social media, some of you are doing some craft connected to artistry, and you could be an artist, you could be a dancer, you could be actor. So things are going to work out for you and you'll be working in with lot of effort and in great detail. The Fool and the Emperor is telling me influences of high-fi people who are in big positions could be supporting you for a new endeavor. You could be embracing or taking a leap of faith in your work or in your love situation. You could be loving a very powerful Aries in this time period, or you could be having Aries in your chart and you are taking risks to and also you have the power of influence. You yourself could be a powerful person, you could be a celebrity, working with other celebrities, going towards new launches, new path. You could be taking up love with a powerful person, you could be moving towards that. You could be a father figure working with children and taking risks in this time period for them. So the sun card and the chariot telling us that whatever you are getting in this time period is very auspicious, destined for you. Court verdicts will also be favorable for you, because judgment is there with the wheel of fortune. So in this changing cycle in the month of August, nothing will be given to you without struggle, but things are going to move towards favorable direction. And when the future cards of sun and the chariot comes for you, Pisces, this means more results, more better results, best results are coming in the near future. Name, fame, recognition, recoveries in health, moving towards sporting success, working with children, children getting success, having vacations, moving towards different destinations, transfers and best transfers can be coming to you. So there can be movement in a job, there can be a new job, there can be new opportunities coming to you. So justice will take place for you, things will come back to balance. After a situation where you were a bit concerned, you were anxious, the moon was around you, you were in some kind of restlessness, uncertainty, not knowing what your partner is thinking, but everything is coming and working out for you. Finally you will be accomplishing some great project or work in this time period. Something is finishing and you are getting an upgrade, and you are moving forward towards the sun, you are moving toward from a moon situation to the light in this time period. So with the hierophant, no, not the hierophant, with the Lenormand card, card number 32, the moon card has come for you twice. Moon has fallen for you, clarifying your a bit dark but intuitive and creative situation, is telling us that your dreams will be realized. Whatever premonition or dreams you have in this time period with the moon card, your dreams will be realized, and you will be having premonitions or very very vivid dreams in this time period. So you will be having good dreams in this time. When judging someone you have just met, follow your intuition. Happy month characterized by romantic love. You could be getting love as well in this time period with the high priestess and the moon energies. There can be love finally happening for you after a troubled period. A love affair could be beginning, a spiritual agreement based on the association of values and projects for some of you, short trip with a person you love. In the name of love, you went on a long trip or accepted a transfer that has changed your life in the past. Harmonious and romantic union founded upon association of views but still in the building phase. Surprise revelations can be unexpected by someone. There could be small mishaps due to a widowed or a separated person. Long and peaceful life is the result of in this month with beautiful children, perfect relationship with a tender and protective partner. You are working hard to realize your dreams, but the road is long and uphill. A good team relationship in your profession will give you, good work rewards. Work contracts with people from afar, surprise invitations, tempting trip proposals, and work placement abroad can happen for some of you. Dreams will be realized, artistic career, notoriety. Someone, an employee or a collaborator, will be of great help to you. Your lifestyle sometimes brings you financial problems. You will, however, you follow intuition and good business savvy in this month to succeed on an advantageous deal, and the money situation will become better. So that is what I have for you, Pisces. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so you can write to me through the email ID in the description box. You can also look up the membership link, and you can engage with me through the comment section. And happy watching and viewing. I'll be posting more readings very soon. This is your August monthly reading. That's it. Bye bye.